A very good day to everyone. We are honored to have Ms. Tripthi and Mr. Shashank Rao, alumni of NMAM from the batch of 2021 Electrical and Electronics with us here today. Ms. Tripthi is a national level volleyball and handball player who is currently working at DSE Technology as a software engineer. And Shashank Rao is a VTU cricket player currently working at Market One International. I am Jane Lobo, and on behalf of our department, feel privileged to interview our distinguished guests. We are so honored to have both of you here.
Thank you.
Okay, firstly, I'd like to ask, how does it feel being back to our college?
Yeah, it feels very good. All the memories will come back. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's like walking down a memory lane. But there's some difference that still. But yeah, it's good. Feels good talking to all the lecturers, collecting all those memories.
Okay, I'd like to know if you find any changes around campus from the time when you studied here.
Yeah, there are lots of changes. The infrastructures are now different. The more buildings are built, and also especially the electrical and electronics departments. All the rooms were full open, and now everything is filled with electrical instruments and gadgets and all. So it feels very good to see the improvement.
I'd like to know, how would you describe your student life at Nitte?
Like everyone, student life was the best time, and these 4 years. But then COVID hit us, and then we lost most of our time. Like the final years were just online. So that is one sad thing that happened to us. But other than that, we got to live our lives. Like engineering is the best part of everyone's life. It's something like that. You can say even when coming back, after coming back, you think about all the days of the college you had, and it's nice. It's very nice feeling.
I would like to know if any subject in particular helped you reach the position you're at that students should put their focus on.
Yeah, there were lots of subjects which had been the now currently working company like OOPS, etc. So, and also the placement departments were making some extracurricular activities like giving the interviews, all those stuff. So it helped us a lot in the interview. That boosts us the confidence also by doing that.
Yeah, I would like to add like OOPS, maybe Python. So I can tell about myself, whatever role I am doing right now. So OOPS and Python has some role in it. So I would like to say that being an electrical student, most of the I know students like myself who really don't opt for maybe programming electives. But I think it's a good thing that when they're providing this programming, it's for our own good benefit, that it's going to be helpful for us later on, even if we're not going into an electrical field. If we're coming into a software engineer, part, then it's going to be very helpful. So I think it's a very good initiative that is taken by the department.
I would also like to know, like, as you both are sportsmen, how would you describe your experience and how did you prepare for matches?
Yeah, before coming here, I was playing cricket in my PU and school days, and all were telling that NMAMIT is good at cricket. So I joined the NMAMIT just because of that, to play in the NMAMIT team. So initially, when the cricket selection started in first year, yeah, it was very tough to get selected because NMAMIT, the cricket strength is so good. So it was very tough to get selected. So yeah, I tried my best and I got selected, and then later on the next year and all, I became the main player. So, and also branch matches were conducted like electrical, CS and all. So third year and fourth year, I have become the captain of electrical and electronics team. And we used to play after college hours. Evening we used to practice and get into the matches.
Yeah, so I came to Nitte through sports quota itself. I had read it somewhere that there's going to be a selection for all the national and national level players. So I was a national level player in my school and high school and college days also. So after that, once I came to the selections, I was just selected for the college, and they did not even see my ranking or anything. They just wanted a player in the team. And also, I would like to say that the department also has given us a lot of support. They have never stopped us from going, be it attendance wise or anything. We just tell them that we have this match and we have to go for practice. This wholeheartedly send us. And the college facilities also, whenever we go for South Zones, we miss a lot of maybe exams, MSCs. So they give us a next chance, not like the others. Like we have a proper chance, they allow us to go. And I would like to say that during whenever I joined, the 4 continuous years, we were the winners of Interzone Volleyball Championship. So that's a proud thing for me, yeah. And other than that, this college facilities also, not only the department, the whole college, like maybe gyms and extra practices, everything is quite good here.
Thank you for your answers. I hope it inspires our viewers as well. I'd like to know if, in regard to placements, how did our college help?
We had this program with CTC program where our seniors used to conduct like aptitudes exam every weekend, weekdays. Once in a week, we had this test. So it would help us to prepare for the interview process, the examinations first. And there were lots of, in the initial stages, there were lots of MRCs coming. And also there were a few of the core companies also. So special thanks to Nitte sir, I would say. He has put in lots of efforts for the placements of my batch. I can say, I don't know. I've seen that he has put in a lot of effort for the other batches or the next batches.
Putting a lot of effort.
I've seen a lot of posts and all of that. But since I've known and seen also, I can say that he's putting a lot of effort. So yeah.
Thank you. How would you describe your experience at your companies at the moment, and what are you currently working on?
Yeah, as I said, placement departments had made us boost the confidence, and also it's very easy to go to office and interact with them, interact with our colleagues. So it's very helpful, and company-wise, it's very good to work there.
Like he mentioned, the confidence that they've given us, because once we go into a corporate world, there will be lots of maybe seniors and all like juniors. There will be that biasing also. But our seniors also, we have interacted with few of the seniors during this year. So they have taught us, like we had a good communication, and also the lecturers, maybe Surya sirs, everybody, they have given us like how to face the world outside college also. During all the class sessions, they used to always mention that whatever you're learning is just half of it, and when you go out, you learn more and more. So that's all true. And
lastly, I would like to ask, what would you advise your juniors now?
Yeah, I would advise juniors to work on the electrical and electronics department more, and I guess Ravi Kiran sir said that nobody is willing to get admission to electrical and electronics batch. So I want to say that electrical and electronics batch is very good for your career. So it's not like something like electrician job and all. You get a very good job. If you have a growth in it, you will lead a very good life. So I want to tell everyone that get into electrical and electronics and work on the electrical concepts and all, and you will have a great life.
I would like to say that enjoying the life, especially yes during college, but then more than that, I would like to say to understand the concepts and the working, not just the theory part. So that is going to be very difficult if you understand only the theory and not the practicals. So whenever you are into taking an interview for a core company, maybe electrical company, so all they ask you is what you have done in your college and not what theory you have studied. Maybe what projects you have done. So try to prepare, build your projects. Maybe this elixir, whatever Surya sir's goal or aim is, it's a very good initiative, I would say, and I would tell juniors to participate more in it and try to build on projects. So that is going to be very helpful, and it will help you build your resume also, one thing, and the main thing whenever you go to a core electrical based company, whenever they ask you for interviews, all the final part is the projects that you've done. So try to have more knowledge on that. Even I know that we have this PBL and during our initial semesters we have these projects, right? So just don't try to just copy it from Google and just don't try to do that, because try to learn and I know in Google we get everything like circuits and everything, we're going to get it directly, but then try to understand each part working of each component in the circuit, and practicals is the best main thing.
Okay, thank you. It was my pleasure conducting this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I also want to thank Surya sir and Dinesh sir for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, and I would like to thank them for just letting us talk about our college life here. Thank you.